Hi friends, how are you doing? Yeah, I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to our channel Change Your Life with Rahul. So, a fantastic series I've started and we have completed 6 days of it. I really can't believe the kind of response we received from your end. And we got some valuable feedbacks also from your side, which are just making us create some good content and come with the ideas which were never possible before. So all credit goes to you. In this video, basically what we want to create, we want to give you a demo version of our phase 1. What exactly we did in phase 1. So phase 1 was we chose 9 of the best bodyweight exercises which you can practically do anywhere. Even if you're traveling, you can do those workout. If you're at home, if you're in this kind of single room, you can do those workout. So today I'm going to run through a demo version of all the 9 variation. I'm going to show you form and technique of those exercises, and I'm also going to show you form and technique for a beginner version of it. For someone who is not able to do the real form and techniques or the real version of exercises, I'm going to show you relatively easier version of those exercises too. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you the variations which we are going to use. We have squats, we have jumping jacks, we have inchworm, we have hip bridges, bicycle crunches, push-ups, punches, mountain climber and calf raise. So for today we are not going to be bothered with what the total repetition we are going to do, because we are just going to run through a form and technique of how to do this exercise in most of the proper way. Alright, so we're going to start with squats. So squats, you need to make sure that you're keeping your legs slightly pointed outside, and you need to have a shoulder width apart distance in your leg, and you need to go down in one line, like your knees need to be pointing towards your toes. Alright, so you have to keep your body straight and you need to look up all the time. So you're going to go down. This is the full range of squat and come up. Full range and come up. Full range and come up. So this exercise helps you build strength in your legs. You know, it builds a nice quadriceps, hamstring and also hips. It's a fantastic exercise for women if they are looking to strengthen and tone their lower body. It also works fantastic for your cellulites. So if any one of you having a cellulite problem, you can definitely get better by doing this phase 1 workout of us. Alright, so for someone who can't do it, I'll just quickly grab a chair and I'll show you how one can do a chair squat. So for someone who think they can't do a proper form of squat, they can do a chair squat. I have already done a video on it where I have given explanation how one can do this. I'm showing you once again. You just need to sit and come up. Sit and come up. So you need to sit down a little slower pace and come back up fast. Okay? Sit and come up. So this is your squat. The next exercise which I'm going to show you. Again, we have 2 choices in that exercise. It is half jacks or jumping jacks. See, half jack is this. You just keep your hands beside your body and do these movements. Legs in, leg out. For someone who wants to also involve upper body movements in this, we can do jumping jacks. So jumping jack is this exercise. This is our second exercise. So you can do this. It's a very good exercise. It builds good cardio for you, and if you do it for longer duration, it's a fantastic cardio exercise. Alright, the next exercise which I would like to show you is inchworm. So inchworm is the exercise, again a full body exercise. It not only works on your arms and shoulder, it also works on stability of your back. So your back is working as a stabilizer in inchworm. Alright, so you need to start in squat position, touch down and take baby steps with your hands. As slow as you can till you stretch your entire body, and then you need to come back. Same way. I'll show you one more time. Need to go down, touch the floor and take a smaller step. Go front, maximum, all out and come back up. So you're working on your legs, you're working on your upper body. For some of my friends who think this is difficult, they can still do inchworm. I'll show you how. You need to go down on your knees first. Okay, this is your starting position. And then you need to take baby steps of your hands. Till you get your body extended and then come back up. I'll do it one more time. Baby steps. It's fantastic to strengthen your arms and shoulder and also your core. All these exercises, they don't require too much of space. You can do it in the room, kind of room where we are shooting it. Okay, so these are the three variations. Now I'm going to show you hip bridge, which is again fantastic to build your legs and hips. A must try exercise for all the women. So in this, you first need to lie down, then to bend your leg and bring your leg in line of your hips, and your knees also need to be in line of your hips. Okay, your knees should not be like this, they should be straight. Now you can either grab your heel, or you can keep your hands down. You need to lift your body all the way up and down, all the way up and down, all the way up and down. So when you're going up, you're using strength from your lower back, from your hips and hamstring. It's fantastic to tone your hips and hamstring, and also good exercise for your lower back. So once you do this, I'm going to show you bicycle crunches. Now you have two options for bicycle crunches. First we'll do the regular bicycle crunches. These are the bicycle crunches. So basically your left knee and right elbow will go towards each other. Then opposite to that. Okay? So it's a good exercise. Basically what it does leg raise, it does crunches, it does oblique crunches. So three exercises in one. Again I'll show you. You do it this way, it's 3-in-1 exercise. Fantastic to build good strong core, good strong wall in your ab region. Okay? And for my friends who think this is difficult, 3-in-1 is difficult, what they can do, they can keep their hands down and they can bring their leg 90 degrees like this, knees 90 degrees to their hips, and they can just do cycling. They can just do cycling. Imagine you have a cycling pedals in your leg and you're doing it. Okay? Our next exercise is push-ups. Push-ups is again one of the key exercises when it's come to body weight. There must be very few people who must have not heard push-ups. Push-ups is very common name when it's come to exercise. Alright, so you need to stand, basically. You need to put your hands exactly in shoulder line where your thumbs will be pointing straight. Your fingers gonna be spread. So you need to come in a push-up position, go down, take your chest in between your hands and come up. So you have to make sure that you're not touching your body down, but you're taking your chest almost touching the ground and then come all the way up. Now for those who think push-up is little advanced, which can happen, so for them I want you to lie down completely on the floor like this. I want you to rest your arms in same position close to your chest and come up. Come up till your knee and go down. Go down and come up. When you come up, you need to breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out in each exercise is very important. So in squat, when we come up, we breathe out. In inchworm, when we come up, we breathe out. In abs, when we are doing the crunches, we breathe out. In glute bridge, when we bring our hips up, we breathe out. And in push-up, when we come up, we breathe out. Alright, so next exercise is punches. Now punches is a very good exercise again for upper body cardio. Starting thing is your posture. You need to keep your front leg facing straight. Your other leg will be facing your right side. Okay, you can even keep it slightly front. It all depends on your comfort, because that's not important right now. The important is your position of your hand and how you use punches. Okay, so in this, you need to punch with your left hand first, which is your jab, and then cross. So when you hit cross, you can see my leg is moving behind. Cross, cross, So punches, 2 punches will be counted as 1 rep. 1, 2, 3. I'll give you lateral view. 1, 2, 3. You have to make sure you don't give jerky movements. You have to be very much with the flow. 1, 2, 3. Alright? So this is punches. Then comes the exercise is mountain climber. Mountain climber, again, it's one of the advanced form of exercise, but once you master it, you're gonna get very good result with this exercise. Again, for your ab region and for your cardio. So in this, your right knee will be going towards your right elbow. Your left knee will be going towards your left elbow. And you'll be doing it like this. Now, for those of you who can't keep their knees like this and leg in the air, they can do mountain climber like this. Okay? There are a few other forms of mountain climber. If someone who couldn't do in the first form which I shown, you can take support of the furniture or wall and you can do mountain climber like this. Or you can take support of furniture. Alright? So that's mountain climber for you. And then we have last exercise, which is calf raise. Calf raise, you just need to stand and lift your leg up without resting your heel down again. Like this, you should not rest. You should keep your heel up all the time. Like this. Like this. Okay, and in this, if suppose you think you can't balance, you can take support of a wall or a furniture and do it just focusing on your calves. The first version where I am not taking support, I am also conditioning my core region. And the one with support, I am just focusing on my calf region. Okay, so these were the best 9 workouts, exercises, which I think it's good for anybody to start their body weight fitness journey. And they are easily accessible, you can do it anywhere. You don't need to have any particular arrangement for it. Only a mat would do wonders for you. Okay, and these are just the demo of these exercises of our phase 1. Because these 9 exercises we have used in different forms in these 6 days. And you want to know how these 9 exercises can be worked out in any particular workout, you can definitely watch my live sessions which are uploaded already on YouTube, on my channel. Okay, and if you have any queries regarding it, please, I request you to put a comment and I would definitely try to revert to you as early as possible. And being in live session, we are entering phase 2. So I would also encourage you, if you are looking to start your fitness journey as it, you can start it right now. We are starting phase 2 from this Saturday. So I would definitely love to see you there. Until then, God bless you. All the best with your fitness journey.